all of you have now got a very good understanding of Camarilla Pivot. What I want you to do is I want you to write in the comment box below and say what have you understood as part of the Camarilla strategies, which aspect of the strategy you liked. Did you like the rejection? Did you like the breakout? And I want you to challenge yourself to earn 10,000 rupees in 1 week and share me that screenshot. I want you to go out there and share your screenshot, because if you share your victory, you will inspire many more people. So I want each of you to inspire each other. Share in the comment box as to how you have traded using the camera strategy, which trade did you take, how much money you made, because that is the kind of participation which I'm looking for as part of the new trader strategy workshop. And I'll be happy to see you there. And if you are having any challenges, I know that yes, that is a challenge we have to resolve for you. All right. Thank you so much for being part of this video. I'll catch you in the next one.